Worn by kings, celebrated by warriors, and loved by the world. This is the Stewart Dress Tartan. The Stewart, or Stewart dynasty, ruled Scotland for over 300 years. From Robert II, the first Stewart king, to Mary, Queen of Scots, and bonny Prince Charlie, their blood shaped the fate of nations. And with them came a tartan worthy of their name, the Stewart dress. This tartan, bright red with white and gold, was no simple cloth. It was a symbol of royalty, loyalty, and Scottish pride. Worn at court and on the battlefield alike, it declared one message: we are Stuarts. We are Scotland. Centuries later, the Stewart Dress Tartan remains one of the most recognized in the world, a living thread connecting Scotland's royal past to its proud present. It's not just fabric, it's a royal legacy, woven into time. So if you could wear a piece of Scottish royalty, would you choose the Stewart Dress Tartan? Comment below and tell us your clan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories woven in tartan.